In this video, you'll learn how to use the Centri-Touch touchscreen on Thermo Scientific LYNX 4000 and LYNX 6000 centrifuges with GreenCool technology. You'll also learn how to use the touchscreen on Thermo Scientific BIOS 16 bioprocess centrifuges and Thermo Scientific Cryofuge 8 and 16 blood banking centrifuges with GreenCool technology. When you power on the centrifuge, the main screen will appear on the touchscreen. The main screen is divided into three sections. The top section displays the status, current values, and centrifugation progress. The middle section allows you to enter and adjust values, and the bottom section includes centrifuge controls, menus, and help options. The centrifugation process status is displayed at the top of the main screen. In the time mode, the remaining time is shown, and in the hold mode, elapsed time is shown. The main screen also shows the curve diagram, which is divided into three sections: acceleration, centrifugation, and deceleration. The speed of the rotor is shown on the left corner, while the current temperature is displayed on the right. If you don't touch the screen for 30 seconds or more, the lighthouse mode will activate while centrifugation is in progress. In lighthouse mode, parameter buttons are concealed, and the status is displayed in a larger font, so you can read the remaining time from further away. You can also define centrifugation parameters via the main screen. Alternatively, you can use a program with predefined values. To enter parameters manually, touch a button to open a new window and enter the corresponding value. You can set the centrifugation runtime by selecting the time button. Alternatively, select hold to indefinitely run your sample at a set speed until the centrifuge stops. You can also select the accumulated centrifuge effect, or ACE function. ACE automatically adjusts the runtime to account for acceleration variations, providing run-to-run reproducibility. You'll see the chosen mode on the main screen and time button. When selecting the time, you can specify whether the set time begins when the centrifuge starts or when the acceleration phase is complete. This setting is available below the displayed time. You can set the speed and the RCF value using the speed button. Enter the speed as revolutions per minute or the relative centrifugal force value in increments of 1. If the speed value exceeds the rotor's speed value, you'll get an error message indicating that the speed must match the rotor's maximum permissible speed. If the speed is changed while centrifugation is in progress, the current speed will immediately adjust to the new value. The new speed will apply for the remaining duration. To set temperature, press the temperature button. Enter the temperature in positive or negative degrees Celsius. The temperature range for the LYNX 4000 is negative 10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, and the LYNX 6000 has a range of negative 20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Finally, you can select one of the 9 acceleration profiles and choose one of the 10 deceleration profiles. The decel profiles include a zero or break off option, meaning that no braking force is applied. After selecting either the accel or decel button, a required profile can be selected by moving a slide selector over it. The profile with the smallest number has the most gradual slope and is denoted by minutes. The profile with the number 9 has the steepest slope and is denoted by max. To start the centrifuge, press the Start key on the touchscreen. The centrifuge will accelerate to the preset speed with the time display active. Please note that you cannot open the door while the centrifuge is running. Thank you for watching. Visit thermofisher.com/links to learn more.